All right, here we are. Welcome back. One Shot Johnny here, and welcome back to another episode of Jank It Up with Johnny. That's right. So today we're gonna jank it up by making a whirly bird cam. It's gonna sit up on the head. It's gonna go like this, like all those other people's do. But we're gonna try and make our own with some materials that we got at the old hardware store the other day. I got 3-Shot with me.
Cheese!
All right, so we're at the local Lowe's, and we are gonna go in here. I got Oski with me. We're gonna go in here and we're gonna get some janked up materials to make a whirly bird. So let's go get it. Riding on the cart. 3-Shots, oh, riding on the cart. All right, so we are at the PVC Pipe for our whirly bird, and we don't need a very long piece. We just need that piece, and we're gonna have to cut it down. It seems like it'll be really heavy. What do we need this? I think that's better, right there. We're gonna get that. It's pretty cheap.
How heavy is that?
It's a PVC pipe.
Let me
Let's see how heavy. He's gonna see how heavy that is. We got this. This is gonna be for our lighting.
And it also works as a hat.
We don't know where everything is here yet. We're still learning. We're still kind of new in Texas, so we gotta look around. So right now we're looking for Castor wheels. All right, so we need a Castor wheel like these right here, but we need one that we don't have to take a grinder to, that we can just take apart. Let me see if this will work right here. Nope, nope, nope. You'd have to grind those rivets off just to mount the thing in there. So that's got that. That's got that. Oh, we'll see that would work to take that piece off. We need some electrical tape. Let's go find that. Ooh, look at all those colors we could get.
I want green.
Green? He wants green. Let's do green. Colored vinyl electrical tape. There we go.
Actually, blue.
Blue. Okay. Blue. The blue stuff it is. All right. Blue tape.
It doesn't say.
Here you go.
Blue's $3.
$1 bill, y'all.
How about a kiss?
Mwah. All right, we got our stuff. We got our stuff that we needed.
Can I hug you?
And we're gonna make it back to the car. We gotta go to the craft store now, and we gotta get some other stuff because we're gonna make a green screen. Oh, he's back again. All right, let's see what we got here. We got some stuff from the hardware store. You saw I went the other day and grabbed some stuff. Let's see what we pulled out there. We got a couple of these little Castor wheels. I don't think these are gonna work, but these might be for wheeling on a ramp. We got a Castor wheel. We're gonna try and put the pipe in there and make it spin like that. Okay. We got some, I don't know why, but we got some blue electrical tape. Washers, spacing things out. Some screws. Some more washers because I don't know what's gonna work. Some more screws because why not have more than you need? Here's the GoPro thing. That's the GoPro goes on there, and that will twist onto the pipe. There's our nutsy nuts for going on the bolts, and some more washers. Okay, so that is that. We got a drill gun, we got drills, we got a drill gun, we got this for taking this thing apart. So I think the first thing we're gonna have to do, is take this apart and see how we mount that and do all that with it. Oh, and before I forget, a Janky helmet. So this is a real cheap helmet. It's actually a kid's helmet, but it fits on my head. It fits pretty tight because I think you need something kind of secure for when you're whirly birding around. So we got that. So let's get to taking things apart. Hold it real still here. Get our pipe. Get our old PVC pipe. Get that through there. That'll work. And now we just gotta loosen it up because we don't want to. We do want it secure, but we want it to be able to go up and down a little bit too, so it's kind of free wheelie. It's pretty much going to be fixed on the old helmet. Just boring it out a little bit. Grind it out. That's what I say. Grind it out. That thing's not going anywhere. So we have to do some kind of stopper so it doesn't go way down like this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get another camera. Hey! Alright, so I'm switching up to this camera because I'm going to mount this camera that's in my hand to the pole cam, otherwise known as the old Whirly bird. So I'm gonna use this camera to film the rest of this setup here. Look at that. And I'll set it up, put it on the old head, ride around, see what happens, and then maybe have a little session. All right. So we got the old Whirly Bird 1 on.
Not there.
Right? Let's see how it works. Hey! 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 All right. All right. So now we're going to go test this sucker out. And it went down. Yep, we're gonna have to tighten that up. I'm gonna go and tighten up so it doesn't tilt as much maybe. Try it out. Alright. Ta-da! That's the first test with the old Whirly Bird 1. Alright, I'm back. I tightened this up a little bit, but I'm still gonna need to create something that stops it up. But, you know, it's janky. What can you say? That's what I do. Alright, let's do it. Ooh, oh, good thing the camera was that way. Do it sideways, like that. Oh, the old tree would have knocked this out a little bit. Scorpions, snakes, go through here. Which way to go here? Oh, your chair went that way. Hold that back down. Whoa. Alright, let's try a little slow motion. Jibbing with Johnny. Jibby jib. Helicopter! Whoa, whoa. Don't turn. What do you think? Whirly Bird 1 seems kind of like it's working. Needs some modifications, but that's okay. That's my first time trying something like this, and it's super janky. What do you expect? Janking it up with Johnny, right? I think, yeah, it just needs something to adjust the angle. Maybe not so long. Maybe you have to figure out the angles and stuff like that. You know, I don't know if you can do it better. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think of it. Smash a like for me, that'd be awesome, and it'd be really cool if you subscribe too, because I'm trying to make big YouTube bucks here, you know. So let's whirly bird it. So we're whirly birding. We'll do a big whirly bird, whirly bird, whirly bird, whirly bird. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.